So using the TI-84 calculator to approximate the frequency distribution for the mean. So approximate the mean of a frequency distribution. I'm going to kind of look at an example shared by a student. So to approximate the mean, notice how we have these class widths. What we have to do, since we have a lot of data within this range, we use what's called the midpoint of these ages. So the first thing we want to do is find the midpoint of the ages. So to find a midpoint, you just add the two endpoints together. So the min and the maximum value there, add those together and divide by 2. So again, 0 plus 9, divide that by 2 is going to be 4.5. Then if I do 10 plus the 19 and divide that by 2, I'm getting 14.5. So we kind of see that these means are 10 apart. So we're going to be using 4.5, 4.5, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, so forth and so on there. So those are going to be our data. So again, using the calculator, I can go to stat, I can go to edit, and I could enter that data in L1. So the 4.5, the 14.5, the 24.5. So I'm going to enter that data in L1, list 1, if you will. Now the frequencies can actually be placed in L2. So if I put the frequencies in L2, I have that going on for me. So from there, what I can do is go to stat. And if I go to calculate, if we use what's called one variable statistics, one of the things we got to do is, since we do have a frequency list and the frequency list is located in L2, I need to select L2 there. So notice that L2 is right above the number 2 here. So if I hit the second button and 2, it'll put an L2 there. So then if we come out here to calculate, X bar stands for our mean. So 38.67. And since they say round to one decimal place, we're going to say either 38.6 or 38.7. So to round the 6, we look at the 7. And since that's 5 or more, that tells us to round up. So this turns into this 38.7. So that would be our answer to this question here in your homework.